Regular means they follow the usual pattern, while irregular means they do not follow the usual pattern of most words. For example, noun ending in letter F or FE should change to letter VES. Live, lives. More examples. Noun ending in letter U and S change to letter I. Noun ending in letter O are usually made by adding S. Noun ending in letter O are usually made by adding ES. Nouns that change vowels. Many English words become plural by changing their vowel, such as OO to EE and AN to EN. For examples, irregular nouns that do not change at all when made plural. Noun ending in letter IS change to letter ES. Noun ending in letter U and M change to letter A. Noun ending in letter IX change to letter CES or XES. Noun ending in letter ON change to letter A. More examples of regular and irregular nouns.